Still hitting those pull-ups. They got these little structures all over the beach. This is actually our first time coming to the beach to like chill and do something. We've just walked by it before and it always ended up raining. So let's get it. No, get it from the right side, from my right side.
So you may have heard of the favelas or seen them. We are staying right next to them. So I have been sick for damn near the past 24 hours. We got some kind of stomach sickness, I don't know what it was, and we've basically spent the entire evening and it's now past 12 o'clock and we're still in here. Be careful what you eat on the streets. We honestly can't even like go back to everything we've eaten and consider what it could have been, because it could have been everything we ate. I even told him to go to the carnival without me. There's no way I was going to make it, but I'm drinking this baby solution for dehydrated babies. And Quinn saved my life and went out because I couldn't move this morning. And so hopefully I can make a comeback tonight.
We stick together. Alright, so we're in a costume store. It is absolutely packed because the parties pretty much start tonight.
Apparently.
Got some stuff right here. Still trying to figure out what I want to get. And we're going to an LED themed party. But we have no idea what to get. So
I think this would look cute, you know?
Supposedly it's a thing for guys to dress up like girls during carnival. We aren't necessarily doing that. But honestly, looks like you can just wear anything at all that's extreme or different, weird, fun, vibrant.
What have the past couple of days entailed? Well,
Dylan got really sick, and today I think I was on the verge of heat exhaustion. Not because of how hot it was outside, but more so because of how hot it was inside this house.
it has been awful, to say the least. We have been here for 5 days now and have pretty much done nothing. Tomorrow Carnival officially starts, so our room is a bit messy. We created our Carnival costumes. We thought we booked an entire apartment for the Airbnb. I thought I booked the entire apartment. We arrived and the lady, she's really nice. And as she was like showing us around, she didn't leave and she sat down and had some coffee, and we both kind of looked at each other and we were like, didn't we book the entire apartment? And I took a look and turns out we booked a private room. So that has been today's adventure. Then tomorrow is going to be the non-stop party.
So it starts at 6 a.m. technically. We'll get there like at around 7:30. It's supposed to be a huge turnout regardless of the rain. So
It's about to get
it's going to be interesting.
crazy. So stay tuned because it's about to get wet and nasty. Oh yeah, one last thing. It's also so damn hot. We're sleeping with wet towels on. This is what we had to do in Ibiza to stay cold. But this air conditioning unit is, as they say in Portuguese, seu cu. So hopefully we can actually sleep. 7 a.m. We're out here dressed like children.
Head into this bloco, waiting for the Uber.
It's about to be lit. yesterday and shared Ubers are the way to meet people. Apparently.
Uber pool, my friends.
Uber pool. It's not just being cheap. So yesterday was day one of Carnival, and I can say that it did not go as we expected. Our expectations were a bit high. I don't know how to explain it, actually. I think it's something that needs to be planned very well, and being a foreigner, it's not easy to plan. So today, one of my friends told us to go to these places, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna try, hopefully today goes better. It's currently 6 in the morning. Never in my life did I think I would be waking up 2 days in a row at 6 a.m. to party.
Better. We also realized this is something that is much better off going with like a larger group of people,
Like 4.
Yeah, like 4 leads, not just like 2, especially when it's 2 guys that are not from here.
Gringos.
Because a lot of the information only the locals know.
Yeah, like some of the parties, people aren't even finding out until like the last minute, the address, location, time, everything. So if you're not from here or don't know somebody, you have no idea, like no way of knowing. Just some advice: if you go Carnival, make sure to plan, because it's not as easy as it seems. Today's a new day.
Let's do it. It's like 7 a.m.
Legit 7 a.m. right now, and everybody hasn't slept. As we mentioned earlier, you know, the first kind of day of Carnival was a bit disappointing, but today was exactly what we expected it to be. One of those moments in life where everybody, no matter what age, where you're from, what your skin color, gender, sexual preference, none of that shit matters, and everybody is just together having the time of their life. If you ever have the chance to go, so worth it. Only the beginning as well.
So we're trying to go into Zona Sul to get some drinks, and the guy said that we could not go in with this. So this is what we got to do. Pretty stylish, if you ask me.
See, I didn't intentionally put any on, but that's just what happens, and no matter how many times you shower, it does not come off. Been up since 6 in the morning, and we're gonna do it all over again tomorrow. So happy that today was a little bit better than the previous days. So catch you in the morning.
look at this.
Olá!
Hola.
Olá!
Estamos no Rio, no centro do Rio agora e estamos a apanhar.
Tell him
Mulheres
tell him
brancas.
say hi for United States.
Pode dizer olá para os Estados Unidos. Sim, mas pode,
Está bien.
mas pode dizer
Está
olá
bien.
para amigos dos Estados Unidos.
Me win. Let's get it. Carnaval.
Carnaval!
Fuck you, I'm finished.
We have a winner.
Hold on, I'm in second place. I have like my whole can. Yes.
I'm still tasting.
No excuses. Don't be a bitch.
I'm waiting for the right time.
All right.
We don't know what this is. but
Don't
we're
ask
gonna take it.
questions.
You ready?
So, is this a shot or is this a sip?
I think we can put something first in our mouth just to try it because it's gonna be like
Really, really bad.
That's really bad.
Oh, it's terrible. It's death in a cup. Regulated.
I think if you drink this whole shot, your mouth will be numb for 24 hours.
Perfect. If I don't remember it, it didn't happen. Rule number one of Carnival.
I like this philosophy.
Good.
Am I the only one who doesn't drink here? Like, come on. I will never have a job because all of this is going to be online.
So, this is what happens at Carnival. And it doesn't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop.
It doesn't stop.